Welcome. Let's learn to make half double crochet ribbon, which you can use for many crochet projects. You can make scarves, you can make anything that you want it to be a bit stretchy. It works out quicker. Make a slip knot and then chain any multiple or any number of chain stitches plus 1. I have 12 chain stitches plus 1. We'll be working into the back hump, into the second chain. We'll make half double crochet, yarn over. You have 2 loops on the hook, pull through. You have 3 loops and pull through all loops. Carry on making half double crochet into each down this row. Half double crochet ribbon is part of the crochet series on ribbons. Feel free to learn the other types of ribbon stitches as well. They are available in the description box or on Hands the Rock Crochet. This is how it will be looking. Turn and chain 1. We'll be working into the back loops. Yarn over and make half double crochet. Carry on making half double crochets all the way to the end of this row. And this is what you need to do to grow your length. Just carry on making half double crochets into each all the way down, and then chain 1, turn and make half double crochets into the back loops. You can turn to the side if you find it easier. So we're coming to the last stitch. When you go into the 1 loop to make your half double crochet, it leaves a bigger gap at the side. So what I like to do is I make my last half double crochets into both loops, so it gives you a straighter edging. Chain 1 and turn and repeat. Carry on growing your length. But with the half double crochet, it works out quicker. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon. Bye. This is how it will be looking so far. Stretchy, but not as stretchy as some.